Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your ships in World of Warships. First, go to your port and select the ship that you want to upgrade. So for me, I will choose Fuso. And then next, click on the Equipment tab right here up top. And then here, you'll see different parts you can upgrade. Like, for me, I can upgrade my hull, my Type 6 Mod 1, and then my propulsion as well. If a module is available, it means you've earned enough XP to research it. Click the module, and then click on Research. Confirm the selection by clicking on Yes. Then after researching it, it usually prompts you to purchase and mount the module that you have upgraded. You can also use free XP if you don't want to grind ship XP. So, quick recap, use XP to research modules, use credits to buy the research modules, mount them to your ship, and add upgrades to your ship, as well as upgrading your commander skills. And that is how you upgrade ships in World of Warships to make them stronger and more competitive.